Welcome to our Send Your First FBA Shipment training. We'll help you get started with FBA and learn how to send your first FBA shipment. Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, is a great way to grow your business and reach more customers. With FBA, Amazon stores your inventory, ships your orders, and handles returns and customer service. Your FBA products also become eligible for free shipping and Amazon Prime 2-day delivery. To register for FBA, sign in to Seller Central. Hover over the Settings icon and select Account Info. From here, locate Your Services and click Manage. Under You Can Sign Up For, select Fulfillment by Amazon and click Register. Next, you'll want to enroll in the FBA New Selection Program. Benefits of the FBA New Selection Program include free monthly storage, removals, and return processing for all eligible new to FBA parent ASINs. Sellers new to FBA can also get up to $200 for sponsored ads and a $100 discount on Amazon partnered carrier shipping. To enroll and learn more, search for FBA New Selection in Seller Central. Now it's time to convert your existing listings to FBA. To get started, open the main menu in Seller Central. Hover over Inventory, then click FBA Inventory. Go to the top menu, hover over Shipments, and click Send to Amazon. Now you can access these listings on the Send to Amazon page. On the Send to Amazon page, follow the steps in the workflow. The Send to Amazon workflow is broken down into the following steps. Step 1. Choose inventory to send. Step 1B. Pack individual units. Step 2. Confirm shipping. Step 3. Print box labels. Step 4. Confirm carrier and pallet information. And Step 5. Print pallet labels. For more information on this workflow, search for Create Shipments with Send to Amazon in Seller Central. After your shipment is on its way to the Fulfillment Center, you can track its progress on the Shipping Queue page by clicking Manage Shipments under Shipments. This concludes our Send Your First FBA Shipment training. You now have the tools to grow your business and get started with FBA. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.